Office District Tuberculosis Officer Ribhoi mentakasngi ka khandai tri gunai lur kalapenlong ya ka program rakhe ya ka jingdap laisnem ka Pradhan Mantri TB Muk Bharat Abhiyan ka balapenlong ha Civil Hospital Hanongpo lengba kanikasngi wei Samla ka dong Ribhoi Samla Pyndaplang Wahlang lashim ka jingba khli ban Tingkhun ya laingut ki Nongpang TB ban kyrshan daki Marbam na kabanta nru banai badulayo ban sam mentakasngi ya kitegi Marbam sha kitegi Nongpang ha ka program ka balapenlong ha Civil Hospital Nongpo na lor te Samla ka NE zone pipe bat ka structure and NTL steel kabadai ka wei na ki company ka bajuya don benta ha ka nika kam ka balatip kum ga niksha mitra lane ki Nong Tingkhun ya ki Nongpang TB mentakasngi kala beteng biang ban ai ki jingbam ki batemet sha ki chiphongut ki Nongpang TB ki badon hapdeng ki chisha sumar ha kanikasngi laidon lang daka District Medical and Health Officer ka AR Marak ka Dr. Kalwing District Tuberculosis Officer Ribhoi District ki manager jong gede ka company Samla Pyndaplang Wahlang ubalong uniksha mitra barkiwe de.
We have, and if we don't give back, what is the use? We have to reason ourselves. So I request the media people also contribute little bit to the society. All the staffs present in the hospital, present in the MNH office, if each one contribute, it is not much. 1,000 tomorrow you go to Nongpo Bazaar and you spend it and you don't have any calculation on it. 1,000 just goes away from our hand. But instead, if we donate that 1,000 for the needy, because when they are taking TB medicines, as a doctor I know that they are very powerful drugs. Even if a person from a well-to-do eating good food and taking the TB drugs, still that person will feel some weakness in the body. Imagine our friends, our TB patients who do not have good food to eat, who do not get food every day. Because from studies, it is also well established that this particular kind of disease happens in lower socio-economic group. So you imagine, person who is not getting food every day, unfortunately suffers from this disease and takes those drugs which are very powerful. That person needs to have a good food. A very nutritious diet have to be eaten, have to be consumed by the patient. So from this side I give 1,000, from other side another one give 1,000. Contributing little, we make his life better, his recovery better, his tolerance to drugs better. In that way we facilitate his healing of his body. Today we help this person to get cured of TB. Tomorrow the other one, the whole district we will help, and then the state, and then the country as a whole. That is how we eliminate diseases. It is not that only health department by giving drugs. You can give any kind of drugs, any amount of drugs. All these are supplied free from the government of Meghalaya. But if the body which is receiving those drugs is not healthy, how will we eliminate TB? To be able for the drugs to work on the body of the patient, that body have to be healthy. That body have to receive nutritious diets. So with a thought of that, we are seeking for donors. I am ever grateful to the factories in Barnihat. 1 year back when I attended a program in Parish Hall, I saw many other companies, they had come to contribute, but today unfortunately I am seeing only one. So if there will be motivation from your side to the other companies to come forward to donate to our TB patients, it will be very nice. Recovery of the patient from the disease will be faster, and then by 2025 December, we have to eliminate this disease. But from the scenario we have in the district, with migrant population, with low socio-economic, with these factors, it seems as if this dream is far. So all of us in our little ways, in our very little ways, just 1,000 per month will go a long way in eliminating TB from the country. So thank you.
Kijengkrem ngamdeiru ki doktor ngamdeiru batip supang ke jingpang TB hanrei kai ke jing sotho ka jonga ka long ba mapi ki patient ki basiam ya ki bayo ya kene ke jingpang ki don apren kamet ban yale ya kene ke jingpang ki don ke jingyale ka bakrau ban ya fight ya kene ke jingpang ki doktor kalwing la ong na ba Pak pendap sobase yarap lem na bangka kini ki patient ki jongi ki bamat yang ki jingpang TB klem da karena wala kongu ban yarap katu kat nengut ngam syartip ya kata Perdana Menteri TB Muk Bharat Abhiyan hanrai habang pule ya kai kanai kat TB Muk Bharat habang pai kadai ka wei na ki campaign ke balatik initiative na ka sarkar India ngadon ko mesim manirap pipi mapiru manirap dalade nyin support pipi daki jingbang mapiru tolong ki Batista bandi bha ki dawai banle bha hakim ki sem ki jongpi minat top tik patik kumba ki doktor ki ong pendap ya ki dos tik patik kawai bangakwa bankot ya werlang ru bamangi kipai ba kumba kan ke campaign jongka sarkar India ban eliminate ya ke jingpang TB hadu usnam arjar lai pol dengan maklamu doktor dong ini trelang ngaya werlang ya pi ki samla ki baklang ka dong ri boy ki samla ki badon mensim ban yarap ya ki bapang TB ki basiam ya kan jingpang ki don ki beduk ki basiam ki jing ha jingim hakiyin kisam ki jongki ngakot la yago rapi kisamla tongin kener kikti ngindon ka mensim ban yarap lem ya ki pram mensim jongi ki bamat ya kane ke jingpang ki bambayale ya kane jingpang da bangin support ki langba ke jingbam ki bala ban yo saisen ya ke jingkeman hakiyin kasam ke jongki ki jingpu samki hakiyin kisam ke jongki dai ka jing ya snok tilang ka jong ilang baro hapo ka themri boy kum ki samla ki rirong ba ki nong trekam lajong ki nong sengkam lajong nga khot ya phi nga wer pi bingin support lang ya ki basiam ni ya ki jing ki basi yo ya ki jing pang TB nga karpat pi lang ba ka ni social media song ba ki prasamla banwan sa office jong dem ni chong if I'm not mistake no doctor I'd like to invite the well wishes from all in Riboy district, those who want to help or to donate to the patient. I would like to request you, please come and visit meet Dr. DMHO and Dr. in charge, Dr. Kalwing. Kublai Shibun, top pinong kiba sincere, mopi kiba shitom, kakadimi kawai, pinong kiba sincere, hakanok bentak, Dr. kila patay, kila otherwise UP, ha ying kisem ko jumpi kham tam mapi iwai piwai kublai sibon kum mga personally gadon kano ngakular banedon kat lambat pi bani supat pi ha kano benda kublai sibon kublai jamu